Hello everyone, welcome to the Smart Destination. This video is about Myntra haul. I shopped during the Myntra Indian Premier Sale. So these are the 4 products I bought during the Indian Premier Sale on Myntra. This is a top from Marie Claire. And this is a skincare product, Clinique Moisturizer. This is another night serum from Estee Lauder. And this is a sling bag from Caprice. I got very good discount on the sling bag, but not on the skincare range. I'll show you in the video for what prices I have got these products. You can buy the products on Myntra during the sale. It gives a really good discount on different products. You can check out the products on the Myntra website. First one is this top from the brand Marie Claire. And it came in a packaging like this, in a transparent poly cover. The material of this top is very soft. It is a georgette material. And this is not a printed material. It is a self-designed top. The patterns what you see on the top is a self-designed material. And the cost of this was around 1799, but during the Indian Premier Sale I got it for 760. It has got boat neck and the pattern is same on the front and back. This doesn't have a cut on the side. It is a straight top and the sleeves are transparent with this bell kind of sleeve. Full hand sleeve it is, and there is a ruffle at the end. This ruffle is very cute, and this pattern on the sleeves is also very different from the body. On the body you can see a V-shaped pattern, and as you can see it is not transparent. The lining material is also very good. The sleeves pattern is very cute with the dots on it, and it has got ruffle at the end and with a single button on the other side. The top is red in color. It looks maroon in the video, but the color of the top is red. The other one I got is this Caprice sling bag. It is mustard yellow in color. This was on my wish list since long, and as you can see its MRP is around 2399, but during Indian Premier Sale I got it only for 557. Yes, I was super excited to get this on this price because I had wish listed it from long. It was there for around 50% off for 1200, something around that, and I was waiting for the price to decrease, and I got this for 557 rupees during the Indian Premier Sale. As you can see there is a stone embellishment on the bag. The size of the sling bag is also quite okay. It is not very small and it's not very big also, because the shape of it is in a boat shape. So its width is also very good. And the detailing on the sling is also very good. The length of the strap is adjustable. It has got the detailing on both sides of the sling. It has a single zip on the top. It's quite spacious on the inside. There is one small zip on the inner side. and there is a small open compartment on the other side. And we get a Caprice brand printing on the inner material. The zip quality is also very good, and there is another zip compartment on the back side. The embellishment on the bag is also very good. And the next product is this Clinique moisturizer. It is one of the high-end brand. It is one of the premium range skincare product. This is Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. The quantity is 15 ml. Its MRP is around 890 rupees. And the quantity is very less, actually it's just 15 ml. I have never tried this product before, so trying this Clinique Moisture Surge for the very first time. And do let me know in the comment section if you want a review on this product. The packaging is very good. The moisturizer is in light pink color. I have a very dry skin, so I want to try this moisturizer, and do let me know if you want the review on this. The next one I got was this night serum from Estee Lauder. It is Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex Serum. It has a new packaging. It has come in a new package. It's a recently released package. New fast repair, new youth generating power. Estee Lauder is a high-end brand. Its skincare products are very premium range. And this is priced for 1250, but I got it for 1125. And there is a dropper to easily use the serum. As you can see, the consistency of the serum is very good, and I am trying this for the first time, so do let me know in the comment section if you want the review on this product. Hope you like this small Myntra haul. Do subscribe DSmart Destination, and thank you for watching.